Good morning, everybody. Welcome to part one of Volcanoes. Today, we are going to start by looking at your score sheet. And I want you just to take a second, please, and make sure that your checklist is up to date, that you have all these things listed, and you should have stamps for everything at this point, except perhaps number 6. Some of you still needed to finish that, and that's the first thing we're going to check today. So if you would please turn to page 17 in your packet. That's where we have the Science Daily assignment we were working on last week. And on page 17, I want you to check to see if you've got that stamp or if you are missing the stamp for page 17. Check to see if you just need the stamp or if you need to finish the work. If you are done and just need the stamp, please pause the video and come up for the stamp right now. If you are not done, please pause the video and go to the Science Daily website and finish. Come up and get the stamp when you're done. For those of you that already have the stamp for page 17, you're ready to move on. Please turn to page 14 in your packet, and today we are going to use part 3, section 3. All right, and please add this title, Volcanoes, and make 5 bullet points that are spaced out enough that you'll have some room to write. So today, before you start your notes on volcanoes, you are going to preview a video about volcanoes. I would suggest that you watch the video once through without doing anything else, without writing anything down, and just watch. It's short. It's about 3 minutes. And then I would back up to the beginning of that video again and watch it a second time, and this time write down some facts about volcanoes. All right, so that's my suggestion, is to write it twice, and the end product will be 5 good detailed facts about volcanoes. All right, here you go.
Volcanoes are our most explosive landforms, able to eject molten rock and clouds of thick ash high into the atmosphere, with devastating consequences. Volcanoes mostly occur along destructive and constructive plate boundaries, where plates are pushed together or dragged apart. Cracks or weaknesses allow magma to rise up from below the Earth's crust. Pressure builds up, which then releases suddenly, causing the magma to explode. A volcanic eruption. Magma that reaches the Earth's surface is called lava. This molten lava eventually cools to form new rock. After more eruptions over time, a mound of rock builds up, forming a cone-shaped volcano. Volcanoes all have the same key structure. A collection of magma underneath the volcano forms a hot, bubbling furnace called the magma chamber. The main vent allows this magma to escape. And secondary vents are smaller outlets the magma can travel through. The caved-in surface is called the crater. It's created after an eruption blows the top off the volcano. Eruptions occur when pressure forces magma from the chamber up the main vent towards the crater. If the ash and mud from a volcanic eruption mix with rainwater or snow, it creates fast-moving mud flows. The hot lava and overwhelming mud flows can destroy huge areas. However, volcanoes are also essential for life on our planet. Scientists believe that volcanoes formed Earth's first atmosphere by spewing water vapor, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen and carbon dioxide into the air. And volcanic eruptions continue to contribute to the carbon cycle, crucial to life, by releasing carbon dioxide. They can go through long periods of being very active, but they may also become dormant, not erupting for hundreds or thousands of years. And eventually, they can become extinct, just leaving a cone-shaped hill that never erupts again.
All right, so check your facts. Make sure you're good to go. Back up and watch if you need to get any more information. And if everything looks good, you're now ready for part 2.